Hello everyone. Hello. I'm audible. Hello everyone. I'm audible. Hello, hello. Just a second, everyone. Okay. Just a minute. Let me set everything. Then we'll start the live analysis and live trade. I don't know about the Uncle Paul's plan, but I know my plan. I'm bullish in gold, and the reason is what I'm thinking. First of all, we all can see that we are at the all-time high. Okay, so gold has made the high of 3045, and we have the today's low is 3022. Okay, so first of all, what I can see, everyone is frustrated in the market and everyone wants to sell in gold. Okay, so today what we have seen that we are in this range. So what range we have? We have the this range and also this range. Okay, so what I'm seeing is you can see, okay, our trade is going up. Everyone first will focus on that. Let's see. So what I'm planning is I can see the sell stops over here. Okay, sellers SL over here because everyone is selling from the top. Okay, then another SL I'm seeing over here. Okay, and today what we have seen, we saw the breakdown of this zone. Okay, we have seen the breakdown of this zone, then market reverse. Okay, so those who have short positions from here are still in their sell position, and those who saw the lower low pattern in the market like this, those who saw the lower low market pattern in the market, so I can see SL over here, SL over here, and the SL over here. Okay, so I'm planning to trap them. So that's my plan. My planning to trap them. I want that market must go towards this level, and sooner we'll see the break out of this zone. That's what I'm planning, because the whole day market is in range and market just accumulating the seller stop losses and buyer stop losses. But for now I can't see the buyer stop loss in the market. What I'm seeing is the seller stop loss in the market, because we are at the all-time high, and first of all, everyone prefers to sell at high, because buying is very buyers are sellers are the retail buyers, retail sellers, and buyers are the institutional players. You can see the momentum in the market, like from last few weeks, we have seen this strong buying momentum in the market. And whenever sellers tries to come in, market keeps trapping them and keeps going higher and higher, and that's what happening in the market from last few days. So today we have also seen the good structure, the good selling structure in the market, and that's why we prefer to buy over here. and we'll definitely uh, hit our targets. We are targeting the 150 pips in the market, and yeah, let's see. For the reverse, you know, another good level is 3050, which is the psychological level in the gold, and up we'll see. Because for now, we just can't we for now we can only analyze and we can only predict. But we are waiting for the FOMC updates. We are waiting for the FOMC news release. Then we can plan. For now, we are trading this. Okay, so I'm focusing on that. To be honest, I don't trade news and I don't focus on the news updates. I focus on the price action. I focus on the charts, psychology. I don't focus on the news. I'm focusing on this. I can see the seller stop losses here and the good, seller structure, which is, retail structure. What everyone see, that this is the lower low, this is another lower low, this is another lower low, and we have the SL over here, then SL over here, and the SL over here, and we are also at the all-time high. And I know that retail crowd don't have the guts to buy in the market. They are all waiting for selling. So everyone is selling in the market, and that's why we are buying in the market. Also, I know that there is a volatility in the market, and we have seen some confusing price action in the market. But this is how market works. Because if you are at the all-time high, you are not going to see the value price action, because at the 4-hour time frame, what you can see. Wait a minute. At 4-hour time frame, what you can see, market is trade bullish. Trade bullish. If market is like this, it's good to work in this type of market, because if market is in range or in sideways or in a daily time frame range, then we can trade with clarity. But if market is going straight bullish, then you have to be bullish with the market. Just follow the trend. And why I'm sure about the today's trade, because let me just clear this. You can see the higher wicks in the market, like just check out this wick. What does wick indicates? This indicates we have the SLs above here, SLs above here. And also my main point, I'm holding this trade is just because I can see the you know look at this at the 4-hour time frame. What you can see over here, we have the top. Okay, but you can see that this red candle doesn't sweep this liquidity and reverse. All right, so that means we have the SL over here, we have the SL in this area. And nearby we have the 3050 level. So so many traders place their SL at this level, and they went short in the market. They think that this is the final high of the market and market is going to reverse. So definitely most of traders plan something like this. They short the gold over here, they put their SL somewhere around here, because this is the psychological number, which is 3050, and they went short. And also some retail crowd also seeing the structure, which is lower low, which you can also clearly see like this is the lower low structure in the markets. And that's why I'm targeting this SL area I'm targeting. So that's why I'm bullish in the markets, and we'll definitely hit our target soon. Just wait. All right, guys. So, how many of you guys from India? Who is from India? Who knows the Hindi? Who can understand Hindi? Please do let me know in the comment section, and please tell me who's riding with me, because I'm riding this trade, and currently we are again up 60 pips. I know it is very frustrating because market is keep going up, keep going down, but it's just because FMC news, because we have the major news which is going to release in few minutes, and market will definitely react on that. Also, guys, what we can see, we are seeing the good downside momentum in the Bitcoin as well, and I expect Bitcoin to go below this area, because this is not the valid support which market creates over here. So I'm still expecting the breakdown of this. Means Bitcoin will you will see Bitcoin somewhere around this range. It will surely break 80,000 areas soon. So that's what my plan is in Bitcoin. All right. Just do let me know that how is the voice quality and the video quality, stream quality. Just do let me know in the comment section. भाई वापस कब आ जाएगा इसका मसला है। वो भी है, देखते हैं अभी, मतलब जो भी होगा वो इन दी एंड मार्केट नोज बेटर देन अस। तो हमारा काम क्या है, सिर्फ ट्रेड में बैठना है, ट्रेड को राइड करना है, बस उतना ही काम है। एक प्रॉफिटेबल ट्रेडर का माइंडसेट यही होता है, ठीक है। वो क्या करता है कि अ, बस ट्रेड लेता है, ट्रेड प्लान करता है, प्रॉफिट लॉस वो मार्केट के ऊपर छोड़ देता है। उसका काम क्या है, बस डिसिप्लिन से उसने जो प्लान किया है उसको एग्जीक्यूट करना और उसको देखते रहना। लॉस हो जाए दिन को बंद करो, प्रॉफिट हो जाए दिन को बंद करो, बस यही काम आप लोगों को करना है, ठीक है। इसके सिवाय और कुछ नहीं करना, ठीक है। ऑल राइट। So yeah, I'm speaking in English. I'm just focusing on trade right now. So we are up 70 plus pips. You can see over here, and within right now the time is 11:38 here, and within 12 minutes. No, within 22 minutes we have the FOMC news, and we'll also plan and analyze the markets in FOMC news. All right. So right now just focus on this, and guys, if you haven't liked the stream, please make sure to like the stream, because there are only 3 likes on the stream, so make sure to like the stream. For now we are writing this, as I said in the group, that this is my pre-FOMC trade, and for now I'm writing this, and for now I'm focusing on this. After the FOMC news release, we are also going to plan for another trade, and we'll see where market goes. All right. भाई फिलहाल के लिए मुझे नहीं लग रहा है कि गोल्ड जो है नीचे जाएगा, क्योंकि देखो कैसा होता है कि अगर आपको प्राइस एक्शन, मतलब ठीक है, आप अगर सोच रहे हो कि गोल्ड नीचे जाएगा, लेकिन गोल्ड ने जो है अभी तक कोई वैलिड कंफर्मेशन ही नहीं दिखाया हायर टाइम फ्रेम पर, तो आप कैसे बोल सकते हो कि गोल्ड नीचे जाएगा। हायर टाइम फ्रेम पर अगर हमें 4 घंटे पे अगर हम जाते हैं तो हमको क्या दिखता है कि गोल्ड बुलिश है। कितना बुलिश है तुम देखो, ठीक है। वन डे पर देखो, वन डे पर भी गोल्ड कितना बुलिश है। डेली टाइम फ्रेम पर देखो गोल्ड कितना बुलिश है। वीकली टाइम फ्रेम पर देखो गोल्ड कितना बुलिश है। और इसी के साथ मंथली टाइम फ्रेम पर देखो गोल्ड कितना बुलिश है। तो फिलहाल के लिए रिवर्सल का कोई साइन ही नहीं दिख रहा है मार्केट्स में, तो हम कैसे क्या कह सकते हैं कि गोल्ड जो है नीचे जाएगा या ऊपर जाएगा। जब हमें मार्केट खुद कंफर्मेशन देगा तब जाके हम गोल्ड को जो है शॉर्ट कर सकते हैं, तब तक जो है गोल्ड को हम शॉर्ट नहीं करेंगे। जो चल रहा है उसी के साथ करो, ठीक है। फ्लो में जाओ, फ्लो में जाओ, फ्लो में ट्रेड करो, ठीक है। Just go with the flow, guys, go with the flow. If you are waiting for markets to fall, then market won't fall, because the everyone, I know 80% of people right now thinking about when market will fall, when market will fall, but they are not trading what market is actually doing. Market is bullish, so make sure you go with the flow. You follow the markets, not your mind. If your mind is saying that I will wait for bearish movement, I will wait for bearish trend, then it won't happen. Just go with the flow. If you are seeing that market is bullish, then every day come and take your trades at support, and just take the profits or loss whatever it is and come tomorrow. That's how trading works. That's how trading works. Okay, so we are, as you guys can see from the pinpoint level, we are up almost 80 pips now, almost 80 pips. You can see I've provided entry over here, and now we are up 80 pips. Do let me know, guys, who's riding with me, and just comment that who's riding this trade with me. Let's just check the Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin is currently showing some reversal here, but Bitcoin is obviously waiting for the FOMC updates and news. I can see this range in Bitcoin. Okay, so you can see this range in Bitcoin. Now most of people are waiting for this range to break out. Okay, and we also have some very big liquidity over here. You can see the liquidity here, and Bitcoin will sooner break this level, but not today. I'm not expecting, not today. What I can see is the downside momentum in Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes something like this or something like this, we're gonna see the good fall in the Bitcoin, which can uh, which can lead Bitcoin towards the 80,000 area. All right. So within 80 minutes, we have the FOMC news. Just we'll just see what will happen in the markets. So as you guys can see, like we have said, the market has officially taken this liquidity. So we have the three liquidity levels. Okay, the first one is 38, then 41, and the 45, which is the all-time high of the gold. And we have seen the you know this liquidity has been taken out, and now we are waiting for this and then this. And gold might continues the momentum, so we can expect 3050 today, but we'll respect our official target today, which is 3045, which is almost 150 pips in the market. All right, so we are up 90 pips right now, and let's see. Okay, almost 90 pips, guys, and we can also see after the breakout of this zone, breakout of this zone, we'll see the good momentum, and after this zone we can also see maybe this 3050, but we can see momentum till 49. I'm not telling you to hold. Okay, I'm just telling you that it can go till here, but if you want to hold, you can just, but will it will depends on the price action and the continuation bullish momentum in the markets. All right, and today I'm talking in English for all of you guys. Hope you are understanding everything, and hope you are loving the stream. Hope you are loving to trade with me. So kindly show your support, like the stream, share with your friends and family. Okay. So as you guys know, there is the rule. You guys are trading with me for a very long time, and you know that uh, that every single day I come with the very good analysis and very good trades. I know some days we hit SL, then trade goes in our favor, but this is happening just because of the market conditions. In current into in This is just happening because of the market condition, because from last few weeks you can see the very volatile market and very bullish market, very confusing market. No, nothing is clear, just going upwards, and that's why we can't figure out the proper entry level, but our direction is always right. So make sure to manage your trades, always follow the good risk management in the trading, because that's what gonna make you the profitable trader. Always use good risk management. And what's rule we have the you know when we are up 50 plus pips, no one will take break even. And when we are up more than 50 pips, 70-80 pips, no one is going to close that trade in loss, because that's not the good risk management or good money management rule. Because if you are seeing profits, and if you are a beginner, so as a beginner you must learn to book profits. If you are not learning the art of booking profits, then you are stupid, then you are not going to become profitable trader. Remember that. Because as a beginner, booking profits is very important. Booking partial profit is very important. Not to wait for full target is also important. If you are a beginner, if you want to grow your equity, then make sure you uh, learn to book partial profits always. And you have to learn that skills by yourself. No one is going to teach you that how to manage trades, how to manage your psychology, how to manage your risk, because these are the self-learning skills. You're only going to learn these skills from yourself. No one is going to teach you. Like people like me, they are only here to provide you the good analysis and the good trades. But managing that trades is in the your hand, is in your hand. It's not in my hand. I'm not there to press buttons on your phone for entry, for exit, to trail SL, to book loss. It's your job, so you must understand this. By the way, guys, how is the thumbnail? Like, I've hired one designer who's creating, thumbnails for our channel. So if you are liking the thumbnail, just do let me know that how is the thumbnail of the video. Just a minute, guys. Just a minute. Hello, hello. Everyone, anyone has any questions, please do let me know in the comment section. अगर किसी को कोई सवाल होगा तो प्लीज मुझे कमेंट में पूछो. चलिए बातें करते हैं अच्छे से मस्त. We'll talk. If you have any questions, any doubts regarding trading, I'm here to assist you guys. So you can talk with me. Everyone, everyone. शुक्रिया अरफान. ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है that you are the guy behind this thumbnail? साना है क्या? Thank you so much अरफान for creating wonderful thumbnails and I hope कि अगले कुछ महीनों में हम बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रो करेंगे. टेलीग्राम और ट्विटर पे तो हमारी ऑडियंस है, यहाँ की ऑडियंस को कैच करना बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है मेरे भाई. तो बस वही काम हम लोग कर रहे हैं. The lot size I will recommend for the $1,000 account, which is for proper money management, it's 0.10 or 0.15 only, not more than that. Because as a trader, you always need to learn proper money and risk management if you want to grow your accounts. Because uh, uh, sometimes I say this that capital doesn't matter, but sometimes I say that capital also matters. Why? Because if you have the skills, you can flip your $1,000 into $2,000 in a single day. But if you don't have skills, then if you take stupid risks on small account size, then eventually you will blow your accounts. So for $1,000 account, you must use 0.10 or 0.15 lot size, and I will advise you to not to trade more than that, because don't take 0.20, 0.30, 40, 50. Don't take very big risk for $1,000 account. You can't manage if you don't know how to manage your trades and money. All right. All right, guys. So news in within 10 minutes. Oh, Chetan, I'm also in love with you, bro. Shout out to Chetan. Yeah, there is important news. So you can see over here, we have the funds, federal funds rate, then FOMC economic position, FOMC statement, and now the conference of FOMC will begin within 9 minutes. So we are all waiting for that. We are all waiting for the that move, that FOMC move, and I know it will be a huge today. Let's just expect uh, the good price action today, or any changes in the cut rates, because last month and last January everything was same. So for now I'm expecting different rates. So let's see. All eyes on Powell. All eyes on Powell. Yeah, definitely, bro. Definitely. This event is very volatile. This is just similar to NFP, or you can call more dangerous than NFP, because we have the press conference of FOMC, and definitely volume will come, volatility will come, and your stop loss, your spreads will increase. Stop loss won't work, limit orders won't work. Very volatile event. All right. How psychology works in computer trading? Just a minute, bro. Just a minute, okay? How psychology works in trading? Okay, so to be honest, you know that I am the psychology trader. I don't trade any indicators or any strategies. I focus on psychology. For me, what is psychology? I understand uh, who's buying and who's selling in today, what institutionals are planning, where is the retail money today. So I focus on that. And you know, you can see these things or you can analyze these things by just looking at the chart, by just looking at the candlesticks behavior, by just looking at the, you know, breakdown or breakout of today's range or any level. So in psychological trading, you only need to understand that you just need to learn that where is the retail money today, where is retail traders are buying or selling today, and what are the institutional tradings going to do today, and where is the institutional money today, and where institutional money uh, is where institutions are gonna put their money today in buying or in selling. That's what you have to analyze and plan. Very simple. And you know, if you hit itself, then it doesn't matter, because you know, if you trade for 20 days and if you make money for 15 days and 5 days you hit your SL, then, and if your risk management is good, then still you are profitable trader. In trading, 50% accuracy is also profitable. So what I mean by 50% accuracy, like if you are winning for, you know, 5 days, and if you are losing for 5 days, you know why risk management is very important, because you know, if you are winning for 5 days, and 5 days you are losing, but in 5 days you take 30 pips SL, which is almost 150 pips SL, okay, and for 5 days you make 100 pips, so it is 500 pips, right? And by calculation you can see you are still up 350 pips. So in trading, accuracy doesn't matter. What matters is how you manage your money and how you manage your risk management. Because you know, you can see, you always see that I take a very small risk in gold, like 30 pips, 40 pips, not more than that, because that's the key to, you know, success in trading. If you are risking low and if you are winning big, then only you are going to become profitable trader. I know some people, you know, feel bad after we hit a sell, but they forget that if we are winning, then we make more than that. The losing amount, like we are winning more than 100 pips, 150 pips. This week I have made more than, you know, almost 500 pips in total, like 370 pips I capture in Monday's trade. Yesterday I captured 170 pips. I've shared with everyone, and today we are also, you know, we are also in profit. Like we are riding this trade with 80 pips, and we have and no more, you know, more few pips are remaining, but definitely we'll hit our TP soon. In 4 minutes we have the FOMC news going to release in 4 minutes. Just in 4 minutes, let's see what will happen. Anything will happen. What we'll do, we just, you know, manage our money and focus on our accounts. That's what we have to do. I'm not able to hold my winning trade till target. Give me suggestion. See, bro, I will tell you in my native language, okay, because I know you will understand that. Yeah, I will teach everyone what's trading, how I manage my trades, what are my trading psychologies, and how I learn the trading. I will sooner start creating videos on these topics, and I will teach everyone what are my topics. I know majority of people love the way I trade, love the way I analyze the markets, and definitely, but you will understand that because I will create in easy to understand language. I know. Okay, so within 2 minutes we have the FOMC news release. We'll see that. We'll see. देखो चेतन, अगर तुम्हें ट्रेड को होल्ड करना है, इफ यू वांट टू होल्ड योर विनिंग ट्रेड, मेक श्योर दैट कि तुम्हें उस ट्रेड में कॉन्फिडेंस हो। बिना कॉन्फिडेंस के you can't hold your winning trades. What I'm saying is, without the confidence, you can't hold your trades till your final target. So you must have confidence in your trades. And you know, trading is very boring. To be honest, it is not interesting. It is interesting for those people who are the beginners, because if you know where is your entry today, where is your target level today, what's your stop loss level today. I come every single day and I enter at my level, I take profits at my level, and I take loss at my level. For all of these things, I plan in very detail, like what is today's market psychology, what is retail crowd psychology today, and what is my plan today. I see that if things are aligning in with my plans or not every single day. I see, and then I trade then I place my trades. Without that, I'm just watching markets. It's just like, if you are at the XYZ level, XYZ train station, so many trains coming and going, but you are waiting for your train because you know where you want to go. So that is how trading works. Market is moving whole day, 24/7 it is moving, but you need to learn to wait for your entry level, then only enter. Without that, don't enter. Just watch the markets. All right, no change in the cuts. It's still the 4.5%. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Change doesn't. No change in cut rates. Then it's okay. But what I can see, the retail money is still in the market, and we'll cut them soon. Just relax. Because I don't check news. I only check what news today, but I don't check the news release data, nothing. I don't check these things. I only focus on the price action and uh, where is the stop loss in the market. I focus on that things. I focus on my own psychology and the market psychology. I don't focus on any other things. Okay, so no momentum in Bitcoin. Also gold, we are up 80 pips. No momentum in gold also, but news just began. Okay, so we'll just check. Wait a minute, we will just check the news.
Remains low and is held in a narrow year. Jobs to workers gap has held steady for several months. Wages are growing faster than inflation and at a more sustainable pace than
No,
earlier
don't
in
sell
the
Bitcoin.
pandemic recovery.
Don't sell Bitcoin for now.
Overall, a wide set of indicators suggests that conditions in the labor market are broadly in balance. The labor market is not a source of significant inflationary pressures. The median projection for the unemployment rate in the SEP is 4.4% at the end of this year and 4.3% over the next 2 years. Inflation has eased significantly over the past 2 years, but remains somewhat elevated relative to our 2% longer run goal. Estimates
Alright,
based on the Consumer
so we
Price
are
Index and other
officially
data indicate that total
100
PCE
pips
prices
up.
rose 2.5% over the 12 months ending in February, and that excluding the volatile food and energy categories, core PCE prices rose 2.8%. Some near-term measures of inflation expectations have recently moved up. We see this in both market and survey-based measures, and survey respondents, both consumers and businesses, are mentioning tariffs as a driving factor. Beyond the next year or so, however, most measures of longer-term expectations remain consistent with our 2% inflation goal. The median projection in the SEP for total PCE inflation is 2.7% this year and 2.2% next year, a little higher than projected in December.
When you are sharing
2027, the median
trade in
projection
group,
is
how do
at
you
our
know
2%
exact
objective.
buyers and sellers are in trade?
Our monetary
Sorry,
policy
bro, can you
actions
repeat your
are
question?
guided
I don't understand what you're saying.
maximum employment and stable
Because I've already
prices.
shared the trade in group, as you have seen
At
this.
today's meeting,
I've already
we
shared this
decided
trade.
to maintain the target range for the federal funds rate at 4.25% to 4.5%. Looking ahead, the new administration is in the process of implementing significant policy changes in 4 distinct areas: trade, immigration, fiscal policy, and regulation. It is the net effect of these policy changes that will matter for the economy and for the path of monetary policy. While there have been recent developments in some of these areas, especially trade policy, uncertainty around the changes and their effects on the economic outlook is high. As we parse the incoming information, we're focused on separating the signal from the noise as the outlook evolves. As we say in our statement, in considering the extent and timing of additional adjustments to the target range for the federal funds rate, the committee will assess incoming data, the evolving outlook, and the balance of risks. We do not need to be in a hurry to adjust our policy stance, and we are well positioned to wait for greater clarity. In our SEP, FOMC participants wrote down their individual assessments of an appropriate path for the federal funds rate based on what each participant judges to be the most likely scenario going forward. An admittedly challenging exercise at this time in light of considerable uncertainty. The median participant projects that the appropriate level of the federal funds rate will be 3.9% at the end of this year and 3.4% at the end of next year, unchanged from December.
Okay, we'll avoid that. If you guys want to watch this, you can watch on YouTube. For now, we will focus on our trades. Okay. For now, we'll just focus on our trades. Guys, 32 people are watching the stream and only 13 likes on the stream. Make sure everyone like the stream right now. Everyone like the stream because we are 100 plus pips up right now. Everyone, you can see over here we are up 100 pips and trade is going in our favor. Everyone like the stream. If you haven't, there are only 13 likes on the stream, which is not fair, guys. I'm sharing more than 100 plus pips trades every single day and you're not even liking the stream. I don't like this, guys. Everyone like, and do let me know about your current running trade. All right, guys, we are up 120 pips. All right, 130 pips. 130 pips going on. Who's riding with the operator, guys? Who's riding with the operator? All right, guys. Officially, the target is done. Like we are up almost 140 plus pips, and you can see the exact market has taken the rejection from here, but it's okay. I think it will go higher than that. We can ride it till here. Let's see. Wait, I'm just sharing that. Share this in groups. Wait, just a minute. Yeah, so what I've said, you just need to understand where is the retail money in the markets, and everything is very easy. Like I said, we have the retail money over here, retail money over here, and the retail money over here. And for now, I can also see, stop losses above this all-time high, because those who went short from here definitely put the stop loss above this level, above this level, and above this level. So we can expect these targets today, which is almost we can expect somewhere around this. Let's just expect, or you can also book your profit right now, okay? Because exactly uh, exactly from our entry level you can see the good bullish momentum in the market, and capturing 140 pips or more than 100 pips in the gold is not very easy. It's not very easy. So don't be greedy, always learn to book your profits. If you want to book your profits, you can book right now, or you can book 70 or 80% of your profits right now. Just don't risk, just don't be greedy. Anything can happen in the markets, because you can see the FOMC news is going on, the Powell is speaking, and anything can happen in the market. So if we are up good tips, then make sure to book your profits right now. Not full percent. If you want to book full quantity, you can book. If you want to hold, book 80% of quantity, you can. But that's my advice for now. Don't be greedy for now. I'm saying that gold will go till here, but for now, book your 80% profits. No, I haven't started copy trading it, but sooner we'll start. I'm not starting it because I'm talking with Exchange. I want some more leverage, to be honest. But Exchange is just giving 1:200 leverage for copy trading, and I'm not familiar for my strategy. That's why I'm not starting the copy trading yet. Okay. बाकी कौन कौन है इंडिया से गाइस, हिंदी किसको समझता है, सब लोग प्लीज कमेंट करो, बातें करना तो बातें करो, ठीक है?
I think that's kind of the base case, but as I said, we really can't know that. We're going to have to see how things actually work out, and the fact that there wasn't
So,
much
how was the trade, guys? Do you really enjoy the trade? Do you really like the trade? Do you really like the analysis?
higher
Do
inflation,
let me know, guys. Do let me know.
so frankly, a little bit of inertia.
How was the trade, everyone? Do you really love the trade? Do you really love the analysis I share every single day?
Of inertia where you just
And the
say,
trade?
stay where I
Do you
am.
really love the way I work in the markets? Just do let me know.
Thank you, Colby Smith with the New York Times. You just described inflation expectations as well anchored, but has your confidence in that assessment changed at all, given the increase in certain
My good name is the operator.
expressed by businesses?
I won't reveal my
recently
identity, bro, because to be honest, I'm very private person, and I will never. You can just call me operator, and it's fine.
Basically, every source we can find, and short-term, long-term, households, businesses, forecasters, market-based, and I think
By the way, guys, few people are watching right now, and I just want to know that how was the trend, and how was the analysis, and every single day I know you are working with me. I hope you are loving to work with me, and I hope that um, qualities, or what I can say, just just a quality for now. I can say I have put some qualities, or good things in your trading career. I know, I know. Anyone has any questions, guys? You can ask. For now, I am waiting for these SLs to be hit soon. For 15 minutes candle close, we have only 2 minutes, 3 minutes left, and I'm expecting this breakout now. Let's see, because seller stop losses are still there, and we are still waiting for that to hit. But for now, I have successfully booked my 80% of the profits, and resting holding this 20%, and this trade is officially break even, because we are fucking up 150 pips, 150 pips in the markets. All right, all right, it is going up. It is going up, like we have discussed. It is going up. It is going up. For now, we are up 170 pips, guys. 170 pips. We are up 170 pips. Okay. So can we expect to the 3050 today? Let's just expect. Let's just wait for some more push, and we'll hit the 3050. All right, guys. So please, I'm asking you guys again, how was the trade? Do you really like the trade? Do you really make the good money today? Just do let me know in the comment section. Everyone. All right, everyone. So we are officially ending the stream here. I hope you really enjoy the stream. I hope you really like the trade. We'll come tomorrow again. We'll trade the live session, live London session, and live New York session for sure. Definitely. And I hope you make the money today. And if you really enjoy the stream, make sure to like the stream, make sure to share with everyone. And I will see you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Goodbye. And keep trading. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow.